Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today we are finishing off the refresh of our budget after a vet emergency that cost us over $2,000. So we needed to reset on everything. So today we are going to be restuffing our Disney challenge binder along with our general savings challenge binder. I went ahead and reprinted all of my trackers, and we are going to just completely start over. We've got money over here. Let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so we are going to start off in our Disney challenge binder today. Let's see, I'm gonna move this around for us, set that up there for now, move this over here. Okay, so today we are going to be putting all the money that's going into this Disney binder into the resorts, just because that is our top priority right now. And we are doing $750 in there today. So first, let's take out our old tracker because we're gonna have to start fresh with a new one. Put that to the side. Let's count out $750. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 720, 740, and 750. And we're going to stick that in this envelope right here. Now, to color in our trackers. So, each bed is equal to 150. So let's see, we're going to color in this bed. So that's 150. That is 300. That is 450. That is 600. And that is 750. So we were able to color in 6 of the beds for the grand total of $750. And I'm happy with that. Those are our biggest ones anyways, so I wanted to get them out of the way. Which is why when seeing we're restarting everything, I just am throwing everything into resort. And I might continue to do that just because resorts, like, kind of, you know, you got to pay for your hotel room. So we might just keep throwing what we can here until we get this fully funded, and then we'll kind of focus on everything else. But I'm going to stick that in here. I did cut these new trackers down a little bit smaller than the old ones. You can kind of see here, just so they can fit better in the envelopes. Let's see. Oh, I guess I didn't need to reprint this one, but I think the cutting them down now smaller is just it's gonna fit better. Let's see. Yeah, see, these ones fit so much better in the envelope. So I'm just going to go through and put the rest of our trackers in here. I've already written down what each little icon is worth on all of them. Whoops. It's so sad kind of having to start over, but we didn't lose too much money out of the Disney binder. I think we were up to like 800, like slightly over 800 for the entire binder. And we are back down to 750. But that's okay. We've got plenty of time. This Disney trip isn't until January, so we have time to make everything up. So I'm sad, but it's not that big of a deal to restart. Some of y'all have been asking if I am selling these. As of filming, I am working on or looking into how to set up an Etsy shop for like digital downloads for these. If I do end up selling them, I will make sure I update my Instagram account, and if the shop is open by the time this video comes out, I'll just leave it in the description box for y'all as well. So that's it for Disney. It is now all set up and ready to go for next week's cash stuffing. All right, now the rest of this money is going to go into our general savings challenge binder. Now, we are kind of restarting fresh for retirement, but not quite. So, we are now on the 12th week of the year. Before I had to start over, I had done 52 on this, but just to kind of, you know, get back on track with everything, I am just going to stay on track, and we are going to stuff $1 through $12. So I'm going to mark all these off now. And I already did, I just cleaned this off, and I bet you that's why it's smudging a little bit. It'll be fine. So the total for retirement is going to be $78. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. So now we're just going to put our tracker back in here, and we are still on track for our retirement account that we will hopefully be opening at the end of the year, if not sooner. Our $1 challenge, I'm going to keep that at where we were at. If you are new to my channel, I save all the dollar bills that I get from my tips, because I am a server, that has the letter A. So all of our ones that have the letter A are going back into this envelope, and we are at $22 for this challenge. Eventually soon I'm going to have to start like putting these in like a jar or a bucket, because this envelope is not going to hold too many more, but it is what it is. Next up is our credit card point savings challenge. So starting in January, I'm cashing out all of my credit card points for their cash value, and I am stuffing them into this envelope. We are currently at 133, and I am going to continue that over. I did not take any of the money for our emergency out of this envelope. So we're going to be putting 133 back. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 120, 130, 1, 2, 3, 133. Okay, next up is Vacation, and that is also getting a new tracker. Set that down here. Vacation is getting $600, which is just slightly lower than where it was at before this. Obviously I have smaller denominations here, so this is going to be fun. But At the end of the month, I'll still be doing my bill exchange video, and we'll swap these out for bigger bills then. For now, it is what it is. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, was that 400? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500. 5, 10, 15, so 515, this is not going to fit in that envelope. 515, 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So obviously this is not all going to fit in this vacation envelope. I am going to just, let's see. Well, this, let's see. Take that out. Nope. Okay. So we're going to do a quick little bill exchange here. I obviously just did my unstuffing to pay back my credit card, and I have not gone to the bank. So I've got $600 there, and we'll just put this back to go towards the bank. That's just going to make this so much easier. So let's just double check that I do have the 600 here. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay. That's just what we're going to do because there was no way. All right. So let's go ahead and color in what we can. I am going to use, let's use purple. So we're going to start off with the little passports. So we've got $75 for each of them. So that's 75. That is 150. That is 225. That is 300. That is 375. That is 425 or 450, sorry, 450. And that is 525. And then this is 600. So we got to color in all of the passports, which I'm happy with. So we'll put that back into vacation. All right, next up, electronics. So we're gonna take out our tracker here, and these last $5 are gonna go into electronics. Let's see. These are not accounted before, so I am going to do that. I'm going to fold these bills because these are not going to count towards anything on the tracker, but we do get to color in a little bit on this tracker. So as you see back here, I do have some gift cards, and those gift cards are equal to $175. So we get to color in one apple and an iPhone for this tracker, because that is going to be going towards the electronics. Okay, and next up, Pet Emergency Fund, the one that I did not have enough in. We had $150 in there. That's like, what, 5% of the bill that I had? But we're going to put a new one in there. We're not going to be stuffing anything in there. We'll just start that off fresh next week. Hopefully, you know, they are good now, so we won't have any other mishaps here. Fingers crossed. Date night is going to get a new one. We did use the money for that to go towards our race weekend. So that was going to be starting fresh anyways. And then our fuel up your savings is not going to get anything. Our gas tanks are full, and we just we'll start saving towards, this is going to be savings for gas for all of our vacations and stuff that is coming up. So we're just going to start fresh on that one. But that's it today, y'all. We've got everything back into our savings challenge binders, and our budget is back on track. We are a little bit behind where I wanted to be, but you know, emergencies happen and you just have to deal with it. So I hope y'all have had a wonderful week. You're enjoying your Friday, and I will see you on Sunday with our budget check-in and cash unstuffing. See you then. Bye.